Police have laid charges following a string of robberies in the past 2 weeks, one of which is alleged to have occurred under gunpoint. On June 7th, police responded to reports of an armed robbery at the recently established Savers Mart supermarket in Hope St. Andrew. According to reports, at least 4 men were involved in that robbery. The men appeared at the St. George's No. 2 Magistrates Court Friday morning. Attorney at law Jerry Edwin provided legal representation.
Identity of these persons have not yet been ascertained. Some persons have been arrested, including my clients. However, my clients are adamant. They are innocent of any conspiracy, any accomplice. They had nothing whatsoever to do with this incident.
According to Edwin, a determination could not be reached by the presiding magistrate on whether the men should be granted bail or not.
So today, because the Grenville magistrate was actually out of the jurisdiction, the normal procedure is that these matters are brought before the St. George's chief magistrate, the Honorable Teddy St. Louis. Now, Mr. St. Louis does not have the substantive facts in this case. He has no knowledge except that there is a parade of defendants who come before his court, but he is unable credibly to determine who should get bail and who should not get bail.
Edwin is also representing another individual in connection with another robbery.
Another matter, because the following day, and we are seeing too much of this, the following day, a delivery truck was robbed by gunpoint again. That matter also came up before the court in St. George's, but it rightfully belongs in St. Andrew, in the Grenville Magistrates Court, where the sitting magistrate will be able to be seized with all of the information so we can know how we proceed.
The men were remanded to the Richmond Hill prison until July 7th, when they will make the next court appearance at the Grenville Magistrate Court.
On the 7th of July, before the magistrate in Grenville, who at that time will direct the prosecutors to provide us with disclosure documents. How did they get to charge my client? On what information did they rely? And we will determine all of this information at that point in time when the bail hearing comes up.
Edwin says there appears to be a spate of robberies and can't understand the motivation behind it. Chrislina John, GBN News.